Hello there! Is your little one starting to learn addition? Are your kids finding subtraction difficult? Here's the good news! KidLo Addition and Subtraction can help them out. This learning program is perfect for kids from ages 4 to 8 years old. Kids can play hundreds of interactive games which teach addition and subtraction.
Five. Amazing! 4 plus 1 equals 5.
What equals 2?
4. 6. Good job! 4 plus 2 equals 6.
What equals?
Try again. 7. Amazing! 4 plus 3 equals 7.
What equals 2?
4. 8. Fantastic! 4 plus 4 equals 8.
What equals 2?
4 plus 5. 9. Excellent! 4 plus 5 equals 9.
What equals 2?
10. Amazing! 4 plus 6 equals 10.
What equals 2?
4. 11. Bravo! 4 plus 7 equals 11.
What equals 2?
12. Excellent! 4 plus 8 equals 12.
What equals 2?
4 plus 9. Try again. 13. Good job! 4 plus 9 equals 13.
What equals 2?
14.
Help Mr. Penguin answer the equation.
Correct answer.
Tap on the jar with
5 plus 3
fireflies. Tap on the jar with
5 plus 3
fireflies.
8. Brilliant!
Tap on the jar with
4 plus 3. 7. Excellent!
Tap on the jar with
4 plus 2 fireflies. 6. Amazing!
Tap on the jar with
Add the fishes and tap on the correct answer.
results and tap on the correct answer. 1 plus 4 equals 5. Bravo! 1 plus 3 equals 4. Brilliant! 2 plus 3 equals 5. Fantastic! Count the monster's teeth. Fantastic! Count the monster's teeth. That's awesome! Count the monster's teeth. Excellent! Tap on complete the equation. Good job! Excellent! Excellent! Splat the jellies, which equal to 15, 15, 15, 15. Try again. 15. Splat the jellies, which equal to 47, 47, 47, 47. Bravo!
number. 5. Bravo! 2. Excellent! 3. Amazing! Add the fruits and tap on the correct answer. 3 plus 2 equals. Add the fishes and tap on the correct answer. 5.
That's awesome!
3. Perfect! 2. Wonderful! 'Add the fishes and tap on the correct answer.